Hi, in this video I'm going to explain you about how to submit our website information in other website and get high quality backlinks. In the previous video I've been told you that there are 11 important factors to submit our website information in other website. Among that, today I'm explaining you about how to submit directory submissions in other website. So now before submitting any link in other website, so we need to have some list of websites or list of links to submit our information in other website. So how to find out that list is most important. So once you have got all the list or the website links, then the submission becomes very easy. So how to get that list is most important. So for that, just go for the Google and just go with the list of directory submission sites with high PR 2020 or do follow backlinks. So I have said you that, so we need to have high quality do follow backlinks rather than no follow backlinks. So just go with this word search, then search with this particular keyword. So now you can see there are plenty number of lists are available in the Google. So you just pick up any website randomly and then you can have a list of that directory submission. So now you can see here 1000 plus of directory submission sites. Just go with any random picked website. You can find n number of backlinks listed. So these you can see here websites like there are plenty number of websites. So you can even see that the page rank of that particular website is like 6, 5, 7, 6. So these are high quality backlinks because those page ranks are more than 3. So now just click on any link, just go for that website link. So then you can see here submit link. Just click on submit link. Here we'll be having 3 types of links listed. So one is featured links, that is like it's a paid link, and next one is about regular links. So regular links is nothing but regularly we will be submitting our links with free of cost, and regular links with reciprocal is nothing but it's again a free link, but we need to take the backlinks from both the sides. So that means their link should be uploaded in our website and our link should be uploaded in other websites. So this becomes a reciprocal backlink, but in general we go with the regular links free only. But some of the companies ask you that okay, you can go with the paid backlinks, then you can go with the featured links, but otherwise you can submit any backlink, either it could be a directory submission or social bookmarking or any 11 factors you can submit in a free of cost and get high quality backlinks with free of cost. So then I'm just using regular links with a free of cost. Then you can see here it is mentioned that you need to go with the title, URL, description, meta keywords. So these particular parts we should fill with our website details. So now this is my another website which is into completely digital marketing services. Now I want to get this back for this website high quality directory submission backlinks. So now this is home page. Let's say if I want to submit any backlinks for other pages also, you need to go with other pages and you need to go with that submit that links. So now before submitting any backlinks or if you want to do any off page optimization, so we need to know these mandatory things. So title and the description of that particular website. So in the on page optimization I have said you that how to write the title and everything, meta description. So now for doing an off page optimization we need to have some of the Chrome extensions or some of the plugins we need to install in our website in the Google Chrome, like in the desktop or the tablet. So that Chrome extension is nothing but called SEO Quake. So by using this SEO Quake, it's we can know the any competitor's website title and the meta description. Just you can copy and you can paste in the link submission and the link will be approved. So now I'm submitting a backlink for Veda DG Solutions. So just click on the right click and you can go with the SEO quick, then go with the diagnosis. So now here you will be finding the complete information about that page. So now you can see here the title of this page is this one, Digital Marketing Services Company in Hyderabad. So nothing but simply just go and copy that title, and the URL is this one. Just go with the required details, a description. So in such cases you can go with the description, like a meta description could be your description, and meta keywords is nothing but the keywords what you want to make it make the visitors to see with that particular keywords. Now my meta keyword could be Digital Marketing Services Company is one of the keyword, and you can see here separated keywords by the comma, or Digital Marketing Services Company in Hyderabad. So meta keywords are nothing but some kind of keywords which you want to make it target, and here the meta description, and the link submission person name, and your email ID, and you should make clear that for which email you want to receive approval mails or any kind of thing. That mail you need to give that. So then the relevancy, as I've said you that there are three important factors to submit any backlink. So it should have high page rank, high domain authority, and the relevancy. So relevancy is most important, and we should know if you are doing any SEO project, we should know definitely what that particular website deals about, or what are the products, or what is the services they are offering. So now you can see here Digital Marketing Company, it is a service related part. So we need to check whether that servicing category is there or not. So now you can see the categories. So if that particular category is there, you can go with that particular category. If at all, if this category is not available in that particular category is listed, then you can go with the somewhat relevant category listed. So you can go with marketing and advertisement is one my category. It comes under digital marketing only. So reciprocal, as I've said you that is two-way backlinks. As for now we are going with only regular links with the free of cost. Then you need to go with the I agree and then continue. So now you can see here link submitted and awaited for approval. So this is the case where we can submit a directory submissions sites of any website. So this you need to collect the list, and do follow just follow some rules and regulations before collecting any before submitting any backlink in other website. Just make it a list in the Excel sheet, so that because if you get any of the second project or you are doing multiple projects, these links can be helpful to submit your website information as quickly as possible. Just go with the links which are available. So now you can see here the list. So in this way you just list out each and everything of the list available in the Google search. Then this is the way where you can submit a directory submission sites. Thank you.